Right, so we've got some 110mm external soil pipe, and cuts to get this nice neat edge and by cutter is quite expensive. So here's a real cheap tip for you. Just buy one of these. It's called a weather collar. I'll take it off and you can see it. This looks like that. This came from
code on it actually.
Screwfix.
That's Wix, that one.
Wix, this one.
Flowplast.
Flowplast. They all sell them. So mark where you need to cut it. I've done it there. Slide your collar on with like the big end pointing to where you need to cut it. Line it up. You need a fine tooth saw like this. This is a backhoe. Came from Screwfix. Literally use this as the guide. Even if you sacrifice one of these, you can use the side of the saw against it. Once you get started, you can then move it back and out of the way. If you don't get straight edge, nothing's going to fit properly.
It's a bit stiff, that one. There you go.
Right, as you can see, I'm going to be using this bit, but even on the other bit, it's as straight as anything. And then what you need to do, just a little tip, just give it a wipe, like all plumbing stuff. Give it a bit of a chamfer with some sandpaper on the outside, on the inside. Give it a wipe again. Dry it, get some of this.
Okay, good.
It's the best stuff going, honestly. Yeah. This is only for demo. A little bit on around the pipe. And literally, this is not the bit we're using. Slide it in. That's it, done. And this gel makes it easy to slide in and out all the time. It's brilliant stuff. So what do you need to complete this job? A weather collar, little saw, very fine teeth on it. Yeah. Some Flowplast lubricating gel. Some medium sandpaper to take the edge off when you've cut it. 2 cloths. One for getting rid of the plastic debris away. One for drying it off prior to putting the gel on. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody if you're looking to get straight edges on soil pipe. Thank you.